Hi friends, this video shows how to remove recommendations of movies and shows from the home screen. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles, select account, go down. Here you can see the option apps only mode. Let me enable this. Set turn on, done. Now I have enabled apps only mode. Let me go to home screen and test it. See, now here in this home screen we can see only the icons of apps installed in this device. It's not showing recommendations of movies and shows. Okay, so this way we can remove recommendations of movies and shows from the home screen. So later, if you want to go back to previous home page, you can again go to all settings from top right corner, go to accounts and profiles, go to account, go down, turn off this apps only mode. That's all. Let me test it. Go to home screen. See, please wait, it will take some time to load. See, now we can see recommendations of movies and shows here in the home screen. Okay, so please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.